Guys, hope you can help me here. This is a Honda CRV 2012. I was having a very loud sound coming from the motor, I think, for months, and I could not figure out where. So now it sounds fine. When I put on reverse to get out of my garage, that's when the sound happens. And when I put in neutral, it stops. And when I put on drive, it does a little bit of the sound and then stops while I'm driving. But then yesterday, I stopped at a light sign and the sound kept going. So when I turn on the fan, you know, air conditioning, heat or whatever, it starts the sound. See, there we go. As soon as I stop the fan, it's on reverse. It's on reverse. It has to be on reverse or drive. On neutral, it doesn't make the sound. I turn off the fan and the sound stops. Any idea where the problem could be? I know it has to be something related to the fan, right? The motor. All right, thank you, everyone.